All right, welcome back. Let's get right to it. Go. All right, got a hell of a mess going. And I got the sandblaster all hooked up. Got the vacuum cleaner here on it. And I run the vacuum over to the sandblaster so I can breathe. And I used I can't remember what that sand is called, black something. And it's technically not sand. So let's get that. I am done with it, so I'm just catching up with you guys where I'm at. I didn't get far today, but I did get some stuff done. Let's go over here and check it out. I got this on the table drying. That's part of the, what is it going to call that? That is the adjuster for the belt tension for the Mordec. And over here, I got the shifter plate all done. That turned out really pretty. Really nice. Shiny. What else? I got the spindles done. And we're done. And that's about it today. Oops, I bumped the button as I was walking. So I'm not quite sure where I left off. We'll find out. But that's going to be about it for Tuesday. Let's see what I get done tomorrow. Alright, Saturday. This is what we're working on. Took it over by the kids' house last year, winter. Parked it outside, drove it off the trailer, drove it, parked it. He went to go fire it up this spring and won't run. Alright, you guys put in the comments what you think went wrong. The battery does work. It just ran down. So yeah, put in the comments what you think went wrong with it. I'm going to start figuring it out now.
So when the 6th streetcar challenge comes back.
All right, back at it here. And of course we got another bushing in here. This is the brake assembly. So I'm going to have to get that loosened up and free because it's not, obviously it's not moving correctly. It does not need to, I don't know. Let's see here. Yeah, it does. So anyways, I'll get that freed up and get this piece cleaned up next.
Spectacular because last time y'all saw this car was a 6 week and we could not get to the starting line at all. We ran 1 second past that whole event. We ran 10, 9. We were hard.
And as you can see, it was very, very rusty. Alright, I took my buffing wheels off. Put a wire brush wheel on. And I can clean all this up now. And I'm not going to take it 100% apart, but mostly apart. Alright, I'll take the rest of it and I'll put it in the sandblaster. Clean all this stuff up. I can blow this out and then the sand will be gone. Ooh, getting hot.
Now we're 5 pounds over. So, that is what it is. But yeah. I mean, if I want
But it's kind of a wrap. It's a wrap on the video, but it's 10:30 and they're slowing down today. So, and they're gonna run some of them chocolate pots, but all the streetcar guys finish.
Alright, I'm going to drill this out and I'm going to put seals in here. Like the other piece has. Ooh, that ain't drilling so easy. Alright, maybe not.
So choose wisely. Choose what makes you happy. My friends, my family, my work.
go with a little bit thinner one and it'll be fine. That'll keep the grease in. I'll put a zert in. I thought it was recording, but it wasn't, so I just pounded it into the grease zert. It's a pound-in type. Drill a hole 1/4 inch, slam her in. Alright, the paint on here is not coming off that great with the wire brush, so I'll put that in the sandblaster. This piece has got pretty done. I'll just clean up some of the boogers from the welds, and that's about it for that piece. I do this to take the moisture out of the metal from the sandblaster and just humidity itself. Just put a little heat in it, gets rid of the moisture. Alright, get the idea. I'm going to be doing this for a few more hours, and here we go. Alright, I gotta run the hardware hand to see if they got a fine thread 1/4 inch bolt, because this one is a little bent up. Alright, time for a check-in. I do not have many parts left. I got that to do yet. The tie rod ends to clean up. And I got 2 pieces over there to do. 2 springs. Wire harness is done. Clean up them 2 cables. And that is about it. This is what I all got done. Let's see, on a table, I just added that little piece there. This piece here I put together. The bolt is just laying there. Picked up the seals, which I told you I was going to go do for the for that piece there. And that's all drying. That's drying. And these are all drying. This is the last piece I just got done cleaning up. This piece and this piece go together. And all this stuff is all cleaned up and ready to go once it's dry. And I'll pre-assemble it back together like it was, so it's ready to go on a tractor. So that's this weekend. I am done for the day. I'm messy. Oh, I take that back. I gotta do. Look at that. I gotta strip that tractor, and the plates are all heat shields and stuff off of that's got to be done. Oh, I forgot about that. Yeah, from a standpoint of restoration, like this piece here was green, no white underneath it, and it was a white tractor. This piece had white on it. So, and them two go together, so I don't know why the hell that is. This piece was green, no white on it. That was green, no white on it. This was black. This rod had white on it. This rod had white on it. All this stuff had green on it. And this one piece had white. So figure that out. So pretty much what I'm doing is anything that's pretty much under the tractor to a point will be black if it's a control piece, because I'm not going to worry about some white linkage pieces that nobody sees anyway. So, alright, that's all I got for you. But anyways, that's going to be it for this weekend. Alright, stay tuned for more and subscribe. Hit the like button, please. Appreciate it. Trying to grow the channel some. Alright, talk to you later. Thanks for watching.